Carrot Industries helps people connect to their passions, their interests, and their identity. We're the second largest independent flag dealer in the country. We sell to businesses large and small and direct to consumer through our AmericanFlags.com website. Prior to NetSuite, we were running on a system called Mox Systems, and some of the challenges we faced with that is that it was very hard to configure the system without having their development group involved, and also we weren't able to really see any real-time information or all of our data in one spot. The business impact was that we were unable to grow at the speed that we wanted to, and our employees' time was really being spent on a lot of manual tasks. We looked into NetSuite along with a couple other ERPs because we wanted to be able to configure a system that would allow us to grow at the speeds that we wanted to. And NetSuite specifically offered us an advantage by having their SuiteCommerce Advanced product, which is their website, being tied directly into the ERP, which is something that nobody else had really offered us. When we first started with NetSuite, we started with their accounting side of things, so we did all the finance aspects and the core ERP. And then we moved into the warehouse management side. We moved into demand planning, and then we moved into some automation through NetSuite's AP automation. And NetSuite has made my life easier by really just presenting information to me in real time in a single pane of glass that allows me to quickly and efficiently run my day, run my teams, just really see the business performance in a single KPI. Everybody in our company is now looking at the same information at the same time. We're making better decisions and we're making them faster. We've reduced our AP labor by 50%. We've been able to scale in our contact center operation by roughly 30% without adding any additional headcount due to the automation, power of the workflow and scripting in NetSuite. We've seen large improvements in our DSO, DPO, even our DIO and cash cycle progress, predominantly from tools in NetSuite such as their Smart Count ability that allows us to count inventory in real time versus having to do it outside of business hours. For Carrot Industries, our goal is set on growth. We want to become the #1 independent flag dealer in the country, and so we see NetSuite helping us in that journey, providing us innovative tools and services that allow us to optimize our business, see our business in a different way, and really harness the power of AI in the suite. So the power of the suite just being amplified.